Welcome again in the new video of the Secret of Musandam Seas. This video about the coral reef dying and this disaster is actually I call it disaster because it is a big problem happening to the coral reef because of the heat, temperature of the water. So like between 2 meter, 3 meter to almost 14 meter, all the coral reef been affected by water temperature and dying. So in this video we're going to look at this how the coral reef dying, bleaching and going to die, and how it's recover. Normally here we are lucky in Musandam, we got thermocline because of the season of the monsoon and the Indian Ocean, so we got like upwash currents bringing planktons and cold water, and it's just cooling the sea and make this planktons it's very rich, bringing a lot of food for the coral reef. Then the coral reef is recovering sometimes. This disaster happened in 2016, in July 2016, and since then it's all the coral reef is recovered and grow up, and it was in a good health until this year, which is August 21. It's been shocking. I've been diving like last week, this week also. It's all the coral reef on a bleaching stage and it's going to die. Hopefully we dived 2 days ago and yesterday and today, and we see a lot of the current thermocline coming with planktons. I will show you that. Hopefully this all bring the coral reef back. It's been like late cold water coming for the season, that's why the reef all dying. I won't be long, we'll go and have a look. It's like at the end of the video I have short clip about the planktons coming, so this can be a good news, can recover the coral reef. So let's go and have a look to the coral reef. This is how it looks when the coral is healthy. Looks dark brown, and the white dots is indication it's growing up. After the coral affected by the heat, it turns to light colors, yellow lights, then it turns to snow white and die. It's also turning to white and yellowish, like final stage on his life, going to die. This is an example for a coral garden bleaching and changing colors. On the left is the mushroom coral is dying, bleaching, and on the right it's the brain color corals, and it's also going to bleach. Down is the brain color is bleaching, and on the top the mushroom coral is already dead and turned to black color. all these mushroom corals is bleaching and going to die. This is example for dead coral that grow from the top, and this year also start to bleach from the top. At the end, the coral reef is dying and changing the color to black and almost empty of life. This green cloudy water is the thermocline came with upwash current from deep sea, bringing all the plantains to feed the coral reef, and hopefully it will come back to life. Now the water temperature is getting cooler, so we are praying that the coral reef will recover and come back to life. This is example is dead on the left, and from the right start to cover and come back to life, and it's growing up. There are another few examples of recovering. You can tell where is the dead part of it and which is the recovering part by looking at the colors and the way the white spots on the top as it's growing. This one is recovering from the middle and all surrounded by dead part of the body. As you've seen, the plantains coming back, cold water is coming, the water temperature is much better than last week, so hopefully this will help the reef to recover and grow again. And it's a lot of things affecting or make the coral reef dying. It's like some perfumes, sunblock before swimming or before diving, body mist, people boats, these can have chemical kill the reefs, and also by touching the reef can actually the bacteria can transfer to the coral reef and kill it. Also by the fishermen, sometimes when they throw their nets and the fishing cage can break the corals and kill it. But this time it's a disaster coming in by nature, so hopefully this will be balanced by the cold water coming and by this planktons coming back and make the coral reef grow again. Anyway, if you like this video, please share it with your friends so more people get educated about coral reef, especially the kids. And make like and subscribe if you are not subscribed. But at the end, I always remind people not to keep any garbage by the beach or on the ocean, to have nice clean environment all the time. And see you on the next video.